Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 43 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So the question we are going to solve today is find the percentage of shippable orders, and this question got asked in Google and Amazon. So the question is find the percentage of shippable orders and consider an order is shippable if the customer's address is known. Okay, so this is what we have to find. We have to find the percentage of orders that has been shipped. So we have two tables given here. First, we have orders, okay, in which we have the information about the customers who has made a purchase, okay, who has ordered something. And second, we have customers table, where we have customers information, that is their ID, first name, last name, city, address, and phone number. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find out the percentage of orders that has been shipped. So only those orders are going to be shipped if if the order has been placed by some user. So a user has placed an order or not, we can find it using orders table. And then we are going to join it on the customers table so that we can understand which customer has placed an order and we can get their address information. And then we are going to find out in what rows of address column there are values present. Okay, if the values are present, then the order has been shipped. If the value is not present, then the order has not been shipped. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So we only have to work with address column here. That is the important one. So first of all, we are going to join these two tables so that we can get the customer details who has placed an order. We do not have to consider all the customers. We have to consider only those customers who has placed an order because only their order are going to be shipped because it is placed. So let's see. So we are going to write down, select, start from customer C, join orders O on C.id is equal to O dot customer ID. Okay. And from here, I am going to select C dot address column. So let's see. So this is what we are getting. Okay. We have addresses of all those customers who has placed an order. Okay. And we have few empty rows because their order has not been shipped. If the address is known, that means the order has been shipped. Okay. And these are the customers who has placed an order and their address is known. Okay. Now what we have to do, we are going to put one case statement here. We are going to write case when address is not null, then put 1. 1 means the order has been shipped, else 0. Okay, that means the order has not been shipped because the address is not known. And as shipped. Okay, let's run this. So see, for this customer, the address is known. So that means the order has been shipped. So the value is 1. Okay. Similarly here, for this customer, the address is not known. So the value is 0. So now we know by this that if the value is 1, the order has been shipped. If the value is 0, the order has not been shipped. Okay. Now we just have to calculate the percentage. So it's very simple. What we are going to do, I'm going to write down common table expression first with CTE as, and then I'm going to write down select. We have to write down sum of ship. Okay. So it is going to give us like sum of those number of addresses that where the order has been shipped and the total number of rows. Okay, because we have to find out the percentage to count of ship. Okay, how many customers has been placed an order that we can find using count, and then how many orders have been shipped we can find it using sum. Okay, now we are going to multiply it by 100 because we have to find the percentage from CT. Okay, now let's run this. So we are getting 41.9355%. Okay, so this is the percent of shippable orders. Now let's see the expected output. It is matching, right? We are getting the same. So this was the question. It is a good question. First, we have to join on those two tables so that we can get the customer details who has placed an order. And out of those customers, we find out the percentage of shippable orders based on their address is known or not known. Okay, so this is how we have solved this problem. Now let's submit it. So our solution got accepted. So this is correct. So this is how we have solved this problem. Hope you understood it. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this, you can put that too in the comment section. And hope you like this video. If you like it, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.